And say whatever you want about our old friend gold and silver, but everybody still watches it. Welcome to Ron's Basement. You came back, and I'm glad you did, because without you, there is no Ron's Basement. Today, I want to give you what I think is an urgent update, some key information about the price of silver, gold. I listened to two gurus in the industry speak, and I have what I think is some great information for you and reasons why the price of gold and silver could do very well in the coming 6 to 18 months. Let's get started right now. Okay, guru number one, Raul Paul, the founder of Real Vision. This guy, if I have it correct, is a Goldman Sachs alum. He has this huge organization called Real Vision. Now, he is a little involved in crypto, and I don't like crypto. I like gold, like my gold-colored, leather-wrapped Ray-Ban sunglasses from 1994. I see everything in gold. But I listened to Raul last night. He's a real super smart macro guy. He knows what he's talking about. And he was talking about how, and this is what I got from what he said, like, we're going to come into a period where real estate's going to be a crappy investment. The stock market's not performing. The general stock market, it's going to be a crappy investment. The bond market's going to start looking crappy from an investment perspective. People are going to run out of options. And that's when things can get really interesting because, crypto's in the toilet. Everything's in the toilet. And they're going to be looking around and be like, what am I going to do with my money? The dollar's already super strong. What am I going to do with these dollars? And they might just take a look at this chart that I saw during an interview on Kitco, Daniela Camboni, and the other guru, Gareth Soloway. And when they look at this chart, what they're going to see is that from 2002 through today, gold has been a very steady performer. I emphasize the word steady. Because while all these other asset classes, the market, real estate, bonds, Bitcoin, everything else have experienced pretty erratic and wild price swings, good old gold that's been valuable always and is valuable everywhere has provided consistent returns and a good hedge against the I word, inflation. So if all that money comes flowing into gold, oh wait, back up a second. If just a sliver of that money goes flowing into gold, remember, only 0.5%, half of 1% of all financial assets in the world are invested in precious metals. Traditionally, that number's been closer to 1.5 or 2%, which is 3 to 4 times where we are today. So if even just a sliver of that money that was in Bitcoin or bonds or tech stocks, of a sliver, just a little sliver of that comes into the precious metals and precious metal mining sector, it could be explosive. And say whatever you want about our old friend gold and silver, but everybody still watches it. And what I mean by that is there's a lot of people who are aware of gold and silver as an investment class. They keep an eye on it, but they're kind of maybe on the fence. When it moves past 2100 this time, they're all going to want to jump on the boat. And that's also going to create more of a flood of money into the precious metals and precious metal mining sector and will help catapult prices to a new normal. But hey, maybe I just see things through gold-colored glasses. So I definitely could be wrong. Don't make any financial decisions, any relationship decisions. Don't even decide to adopt a puppy or a cat based upon what I'm sharing with you today. Just my thoughts on what could happen. But there's another guru, this guy, Gareth Soloway. And believe it or not, he's wrong a lot less frequently than I am. And he's calling for gold to reach around the $2,400 range by the end of the year. And I think he's right. I think we could see a confluence of factors that could propel the price of gold and silver much higher in the coming 6 to 18 months. One thing for sure, we're going to find out. Another thing for sure, you are always welcome in Ron's Basement. I appreciate you deciding to spend some of your precious time with me. If you'd like to come back, you can subscribe right here. Or if you want to watch another video, if you feel like torturing yourself, you can do that right there. Have a great day. See you soon.